Now we're ready to work onto our next pumpkin. We'll choose pumpkin number 2. Pumpkin number 2 will open up into Google Draw, and we're going to make the complement of blue for our pumpkin. And our blue pumpkin is going to now become an orange pumpkin. The complement of blue is orange. So we start the same way that we did before. We're going to select our whites. We have our cheat to hold the shift key down and select multiple whites. And then we'll go to the top. We'll select our orange, our light orange. Also, same thing with the stroke. That one's done. Again, we're going to hold our shift key and we're going to choose our second layer, our second shade of gray. We're going to move to our second layer of orange with our fill, second layer of orange with our stroke, click off it, and then we're going to choose our third layer of gray. And remember, you can do them little at a time. You don't have to do them all in one shot. Click off, take a look, be patient, notice what you're doing, see if you forgot anything. Oops, I chose the wrong shade of orange, so I'm going to have to step back and adjust. Not a big deal. There is one gray white that I forgot. I am changing that now. Now I have my background on my pumpkin to do. Choose a dark orange. Same thing with my stroke. Okay. And the beautiful thing about orange and blue is that my stem happens to be blue already, so I don't have to change that. Last thing I have to do here is change my background from a black to a blue now. Same thing with my stroke. Boom! That one's done.